What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you a really cool trick you can do on your device that will allow you to bypass the revoked application or unable to verify application pop-up. I have an example here for the Provenance application. As you guys can see, unable to verify app. I'm sure any of you that have installed any third-party applications not through the App Store have came across this. So basically, when you download a third-party application, you have about 7 days until the certificate gets revoked, and then it's super annoying because you have to reinstall that application. Well, thanks to this kind of bypass, you no longer have to worry about it. This is pretty insane. This device is on iOS 12. It does work on iOS 13 as well. You do not have to be jailbroken in order to do this. It'll work on all devices, and like I said, no jailbreak required. This is seriously a very cool trick to know about. So it's really annoying for apps like Provenance where you download a bunch of games and you're playing your retro games, you have save states, and then you have to delete the app and reinstall it, which means you lose everything essentially unless you have backed it up. But thanks to this trick, you don't have to worry about it. So the first thing we're going to do is go into Settings, and then we're going to go into Safari, which will be in System Apps here. So go into Safari, and then scroll all the way down and clear history and website data. So clear all that, just like so. And now we can back out to the main page of settings. We'll go ahead and put our device into airplane mode, exit out of settings, and as you guys can see, we can now launch the application. That's literally all you got to do. Now, I don't have anything in here right now. It is empty. I don't have any games or anything, but this does work. It's insane. I can't believe somebody didn't find this sooner. So you literally just do that, and then you can come out of airplane mode. You don't have to stay in airplane mode to do this, and then you can still launch it. Let's go ahead and actually end it from multitasking. And as you guys can see, I basically just bypassed the revoked certificate on that application, which is amazing. Now, just so you guys know, this will only last, I think, for like a day or until your phone reboots, and you will have to do it again, because I did do it yesterday, and then I did get that pop-up again, but still, nonetheless, with how quick and easy it is to do that, you really don't have to worry about the certificate of that getting revoked, because you can just do that trick and still run the application. Quite an awesome bypass in my opinion. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.